Hello, if you want to set some live or animated watch faces on your Apple Watch, so we can for sure do this, like for example this one on or the previous one. And all you have to do is just to simply go into your watch application in the iPhone, go to the face gallery, and now we have to basically search for them. So there is no one place where we can find all animated watch faces. You can find animated watch faces actually by going to the new watch faces, and here the flow watch face actually is moving. So when you click add, as you can see, there's the circle that is moving all around, and when you are gonna start moving the watch, it's also gonna move like so, like there's some kind of the liquid inside. And you can find also a lot of animated watch faces by going to the playful tab. So if we want to pick this one, let's pick it up. Now let's go back to the watch face, and now when you tap on the watch face, as you can see, this character gonna make some specific animation, depends of this animal that is available. So yeah, that's basically everything. You have to just simply search for them. Just over here you can click to see all watch faces, and you can just one by one test everything. Like for example the playtime, let's try this one. Now when you tap on it, as you can see, those numbers are also animated. So yeah, I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.